I conduct experiments and we're the agents among you. Disguise the gentleman, disguise the gentleman, disguise the gentleman, agents among you. Disguise the gentleman.
First, you need to download the app, the Ledger Live app from the website, which I already did. So now let's get started. First, we need to select our device. I have the Ledger Nano X, and then click Set up New Nano X. So I already did the setup on my Ledger Nano X, so I can skip it here, but this will guide you through it.
My grandfather's father founded secret societies, and now I infiltrate secrets using PSI tricks and quantum mechanics. So through the gas in the nucleus, a partial observer performing deconstructive surgery using society's perversions. I wear a fake face under my true face, under my fake face for you.
In the last step, we are going to check if the Ledger Nano X is new.
We left illumination a long time ago in favor for articulated endings. Retraced our steps back to an origin and scar embraced. Stone radio transmissions frequently.
And we're good.
Live messages to dead drops, cool faints on hard stops, ideas.
Now add an account. Choose Bitcoin for the first one. Continue. And I forgot to install the app on the Ledger Nano X. So we need to go to the manager and install the app first before we can add the account. So install the Bitcoin app. Now go back to the portfolio, add account, close Bitcoin, allow it on your device. After synchronizing, you see the account name and the type of the account. For me, it's the native one, but you can choose another one. And then you can add the account and you're done. Now we will repeat the whole process for Ethereum. So we're going to manager, accepting on our device, installing Ethereum, steady balance, so I don't go out all insane. But the reoccurring dream patterns always seem the same, and the split personality has multiple names. But I'm long range, pinpoint, optical gauge. Then we're going to accounts, adding the Ethereum account, accepting again on our device. And after synchronizing, you can confirm your account name, add it to your Ledger Nano, and we are also done.